Hi, my name is Franziska Jentsch and I live in Berlin, but I used to live in Amsterdam for 7 years, so I'm kind of half Dutch, half German. And my favorite line is a Dutch line from a Dutch poem. Heimwee naar mijn zustertaal, want die van mijn moeder spreek ik nu voortdurend. In English it means being homesick for my sister language, because I speak my mother tongue now all the time. So I consider Dutch as my sister language and German as my mother tongue. And because this, I always say I have a double life. I'm Francesca in the Netherlands and Franziska in Germany, and this line expresses this double feeling. My blog with the poems is called remigration.blogspot.com, and it had a different name, but I choose for remigration when I returned to Germany, because then I had to get used to my country again.